Folks, we're going to take a quick look today at the Samsung 870 EVO. This is another option out there for solid state drives if you are looking for something along those lines. These are excellent for if you have an older computer and you want to upgrade from the old school type platter hard drive to a solid state drive and improve the speed and performance. This is something to definitely kind of look at. And also too, the other option that you have with these is that you can use these as a backup drive. So you can very easily get a little chassis that this will fit into, and then it'll plug into your computer with a USB drive. So it's very easy. Like for instance, a computer I upgraded recently, I had kind of an old school hard drive in it. So what I did was I took the solid state drive, put it in a chassis, transferred all my data over and everything that I needed. And then that way, when I removed the old data drive out of the drive, I just slotted this in. It was already ready to go. With this, you have a read speed of about 560 megabytes per second and a write speed of about 530 megabytes per second. This one here is a 500 gigabyte drive, which for a lot of folks, that is more than sufficient. You can also go to the higher sizes too if you need more room or more storage or whatever, but for a lot of folks 500 gigabytes will do just fine. Let's have a closer look at the drive here, and this is a 2.5 SATA drive, so it just plugs into just a regular SATA port, and that's what it looks like here. Try to handle it nicely, and yeah, so very easy, very nice hard drive, solid state drive, very fast. And a lot of folks are a big fan of these Samsung drives, so this is definitely another option out there in the market. I have quite a bit of anecdotal stories from different folks that have used these, and I have a relative in the computer repair business, and this is one option he provides to customers. And the Samsung drives so far over recent years have ended up working out very well. So definitely this is an option out there to check out. And as I said, it's a SATA 2.5 inch, so pretty compatible with a lot of stuff, or you can buy a little chassis for it. But in the end, very good solid state hard drives. Something worth looking into if you have those various needs, and they work well. So definitely check these out, folks.